Hi everyone, welcome back. So in this video, I'm gonna share with you how to add an SMA in cTrader. So just follow me and follow the steps. It's so easy and simple. So first of all, go to your cTrader and go to this icon right here. Okay, click on it, and we have here this search bar. Here you have to type simple moving average because SMA stands for simple moving average. Okay, and as you can see here, this is our simple moving average. Click on it and you can choose the period from here. It can be 20, 50, 200, 100, any period you want. So for me, I will choose, for example, the 20 SMA. Click on OK. And as you can see here, this is our SMA. If you want to make this line thicker, all you have to do is right click on it and go to lines and choose this one. Now I will choose, for example, 3, as you can see here. Now the line is thicker. Let's choose, for example, 5, as you can see. So I will choose, for example, 3 and click on OK. And that's it. So I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to give us a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching and see you on the next one.